So the concept of limit, continuity, and derivability is like one after the other. So it's like a step. Okay. So the first step of the ladder is function. We should know what is the meaning of y is equal to fx. Then second step of the ladder is that we should know graph of these functions. Third step is based on the graph, we can actually find limits to the function. Limits means we can find the limiting value for the function. What is the meaning of limiting value? That we'll discuss soon. And then once we can talk about limits for a particular function, we can say that function is continuous. So continuity is the next step in the ladder. And then finally, if a function is continuous, then we can declare it to be differentiable. So differentiability or differentiable or derivability, these are all like similar words. So we can say that function will be differentiable finally if it is continuous. Now, based on your knowledge so far, you have already done what is y is equal to fx. You fairly have quite a good idea about graphs of functions. Okay, so the next step which we are at right now is this limits. What is the